Green Curry Omelette. Make a paste for the curry. Coriander leaves 1 bunch, 40 grams. Garlic cloves big 4. Green chillies 2 broken. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Grated coconut 1 teaspoon. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Dahi 1 teaspoon. Paste for green curry ready. Now make the omelette. Eggs 4. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Pinch of black pepper powder, pinch of red chili powder, pinch of jeera powder, pinch of coriander powder, pinch of garam masala powder, milk not hot 1 tablespoon. Stir well. Ghee 1 teaspoon. You can use white oil also. After 2 minutes, omelette done. Make pieces of omelette. Now time to cook the dish. White oil 2 tablespoons. Green chillies 2 splitted. Add the green paste for curry. Fry 2 minutes. Add water 1/2 cup. Let the curry cook for 5 minutes. Curry thickness should be like this. Now add the omelette pieces. Cook for 3-4 minutes. Add bit more salt 1/4 teaspoon. Green curry omelette done. Enjoy with steamed rice, roti, paratha,